Hello everyone! This video is being sponsored by myself because I paid for all these things. Please, Microsoft, if you're watching this video, please sponsor me. I love your products. Anyways, you guys might be thinking, hey Cloudsir, why did you get a Surface Pro 6? Well, to be honest, I always wanted one of these things. I've never been such a big fan of the tablets because, you know, at least in my opinion, a tablet is not a device that you can, like, I don't know how to say this, like make the most out of it. Since, for example, you have tablets with Android, you have other tablets with iOS, but the software that they have and the apps are not the same level as a software that you would see like in a PC or, you know, a Mac with macOS, even if that sounded kind of dumb because all Macs have macOS. Anyways, you might be thinking why I got this tablet. Well, apart that I wanted it because, first of all, I'm an illustrator, I love to make drawings, and to be honest, I always wanted to have like one of these screen tablets from Wacom, I don't know how you pronounce it. And I was thinking in getting one of those, but then I saw the price, for example, $600-700 for a Cintiq 13 Pro HD, I don't know the model. And I was telling myself, but if I get this tablet for $600-700, in the end, I'm just paying like $700 for a monitor. It's nothing more than a monitor, and I can use it for anything else than drawing and illustrating, even if it does that really well. But I was thinking, if I can get a device that serves the purpose of being a drawing tablet, and at the same time I can do more things with it, since, you know, I'm a coder, I like to code, making web applications, etc. I was like, okay, maybe if I get a device that can run Windows software and I can also use it for drawing, it will be like a perfect buy. And I was like, okay, so let's get it. And as you can see here we are with all the things. Okay, so this is gonna be an unboxing video, and I'm really sorry for any stupid thing I say because, you know, in the unboxing videos you only got one shot because the thing is sealed in the package and everything. Well, I'm not gonna explain too much of the things that the Surface Pro 6 actually has. This is the 128GB model. They say that it's a Core i5 8th generation processor, and they say in the Amazon store that it's better than the 7000 something i7 of the 7th generation. I think that's the one that my Predator Helios has, but later on I'm gonna put like the model in the comments and description, sorry. Okay, so what did I got? First of all, the Surface 6 Pro. I also got this is like a screen protector, and later on I'm gonna tell you why I got a screen protector. And also here I have the Surface keyboard that came in this box that looks like a pixel box. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the Surface 6 Pro. Okay, so we're gonna start opening this with these beautiful scissors that are a little rusty that I got here. I hope that you can see. Okay, this is gonna be an awkward video since I'm in an awkward position while looking at the camera and trying to unbox this. Okay, so let's see if you can see this well. I got this from Amazon. This is a fun story of how I got this because I don't know if you guys know, but I live in Ecuador, South America. You cannot find one of these here, so of course I had to buy it in Amazon. And then I had to hire a courier so he could bring it from the US to here. And you won't believe this, but yesterday I got this in Amazon and today it was here. This sort of thing doesn't happen since, you know, like trying to get things to South America is really complicated. I had to pay like $140 to get this here, and still would be like way cheaper than if I actually bought it here. That would have cost me the double. I got this in Amazon for $800. It's like a really nice price for everything that it offers. But anyways, okay, so let's keep opening it. So it comes in like this nice box that you take the lid out, and here it is, the beautiful Surface 6 Pro. Okay, so the first thing that you can see is the tablet itself. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It's a little bit, no, actually it's not that heavy. I thought that it was gonna be heavier. This actually feels amazing in your hands. Like it's super light. In Amazon it said that it weighed like 5 pounds, but to be honest it feels like 2 pounds or less. It's a really nice feeling tablet. The quality looks really nice. So, okay, here's the tablet. Let's put it over here. Shit, I don't know where to put this. I'm gonna put it just in the box over here for a second. Okay, so what else do we have here? I think that this is some sort of booklet thingy that says, oh, you got a Surface, you're so lucky for giving us your money and shit, things like that. Okay. Sorry, the microphone fell down. I'm moving too much behind camera. Okay, so let's keep seeing what else we got here. I think that this is the power brick. Nothing fancy about this. Let's open it. Oh, this looks like a fancy power brick. I have never seen like... You're gonna have to forgive me for these camera adjustments that I'm gonna do. Okay, so it's your average power brick thingy, and it has a USB if you want to charge something in it. Really cool. And this looks like the PlayStation cord kind of thingy that you put like behind the PlayStation. Okay, so you put this here, and you know the rest. This is supposed to be like a magnetic connector to plug in to your Surface, and this is like the small power brick thingy. So we plop it there. Let me refocus. Okay, so now I don't think that there's anything else in this box. Even the box has like a nice build quality. Yep, it's just an empty box, nothing else. Okay, so go there. Okay, the second thing that I'm gonna open, well, now I can put my Surface here, is the keyboard that looks like it's inside this pizza box. Okay, let's open it. Voila! The Surface keyboard. It's also really light, so... Oh, I don't even need to break this. It already comes like in this thingy that you just slide it. I'm gonna have to make this thing go... Oh, I don't feel that I can make the lens go back anymore. Okay, so this is the keyboard. It has a really nice feel to it. Also, it's magnetic. You plug it right under your Surface. So let's check it out. Okay, so talking a little bit more about the Surface. Well, it has an USB port. I'm gonna have a hard time focusing all this. So yeah, we have our mini display port. Okay, this is the power connector. The audio jack, which I highly appreciate, and then the connector to dock like the keyboard under it. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of this thing. Oh, this looks beautiful. Guys, you don't imagine how beautiful this looks. Okay, and I'm just gonna plop it. Oh, wow. This magnet is really strong. I didn't imagine that it would have like that grip, that power grip. Okay, I don't want to touch the screen, first of all, because I don't want to put like my fingerprints in it. And also, well, I'm not going to install this in the unboxing, but I got this glass protector because I don't like my screens to get scratched. I had a terrible mistake of using my Samsung Galaxy A8 without the screen protector, and now it's all scratched because of sand and other dust particles. So I think that having a protector, at least for a device of this type, is like really recommended. If you don't want to ruin it and still see like that screen being so beautiful and nice. So yeah, I'm gonna install that later, and in a few months I'm gonna tell you how I went with it, if everything is nice, responsive, etc. with this on. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh my god, that screen already looks like super beautiful. Oh wow, it's super fast. Well, I guess that could be expected of of a laptop with, well, laptop, tablet, phablet, I don't know. I don't know anymore what it is. Well, with a device of, oh wow, this talks.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assisted screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. Oh my god, this is
Your
gonna...
keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Nope.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Es-
That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
skip for now.
The first one on the list. Want to use that one?
Skip for now. Skip. No. Okay, there we go.
Next up, the legal stuff.
Accept.
Keyboard, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows.
Oh my god, just shut up.
Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions.
Okay.
Reset your password.
I'm getting out of time in the SD card, so I'm gonna leave it here. Any more questions or things? Subscribe, comment below, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Have fun, guys.